help you find a freaking awesome silicone baby products manufacturer with sales increasing 5 times every year. This company is Silicone. This is a leading provider of high-quality silicone baby products, offering a diverse range of items including feeding products, teething toys, and children's toys. With rich experience and expertise in the industry, we are committed to providing flexible options such as wholesale, customization, and OEM/ODM services to meet the diverse needs of the market. At Silicone, we prioritize the safety and well-being of children, and all our products are designed and manufactured with the highest standards of quality and safety in mind. We understand the importance of providing parents with peace of mind when it comes to the products they use for their little ones, and we strive to exceed expectations in this regard. In addition to our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we are also dedicated to innovation and staying ahead of market trends. We continuously research and develop new products to meet the evolving needs of parents and children, ensuring that we remain at the forefront of the industry. With a focus on safety, quality, and innovation, we are committed to working together with our clients towards mutual success.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.